डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज अपन बात करेंगे सिंथेसिस ऑफ पामाक्विन। दैट इज सिंथेसिस ऑफ पामाक्विन हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? दैट एज पर योर पीसीआई सिलेबस सिंथेसिस दिया हुआ है जो आपको पढ़ना है। सिमिलरली मैं बात कहूं तो इसका एग्जाम में भी क्वेश्चन आता है, यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम में जनरली क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है। एज वेल एज इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द जीपेट और फार्मासिस्ट और डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, देन there will be again question will be there. Okay, what are the questions of GPAT or like that, or what is the question for university exam? In university exam, simple only and only one question is there. Write the synthesis of Pamaquine. Means synthesis of Pamaquine. How we will describe in during exam. We will describe in exam in this pattern, but how we can remember this synthesis I will explain. Basically, Pamaquine is belongs to 8 aminoquinolines. The 8 aminoquinoline is the category of antimalarials. Okay. Now come to the synthesis. See, its synthesis is a very simple one. That is starting from one and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, this is our amino group. Benzene having amino group known as aniline. Okay, then what is the name of this molecule? Try to write this name of this molecule. Means 2 nitro 4 methoxy means 2 nitro 5 methoxy. Okay, and aniline. This is the our first starting material. Similarly, what is this? 1, 2, and 3. 3 carbon having 3 hydroxy group respectively. Then that molecule is known as glycerol. That molecule is known as glycerol. Now, reaction of aniline derivative, that is nitro methoxyaniline derivative with the glycerol in presence of H2SO4 and nitrobenzene. Try to understand the exact synthesis or the exact mechanism what is happening. As you know, H2SO4 act as a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent. What is the meaning of dehydrating agent? Means removal of water molecule. Okay. This is the main generally role during the different reactions. Means here if OH group present and concentrate H2SO4 is there, then 100% there will be chances of removal of water molecule. Okay. At the same time here again at nitrobenzene that is C6H5NO2 as a हम solvent ले रहे हैं, as a solvent ले रहे हैं, generally it is a polar solvent, that is a polar solvent. During this reaction means what will happen? Glycerol have a 3 hydroxy group, then there will be 100% chances of water molecule removal. Then at the same time here amino group, then this carbon chain of glycerol will adjoin to this part. Means which part that is this portion will make of this ring system or this our intermediate or this reaction known as our first reaction, that is scrap synthesis, where removal of water molecule occurs. Clear? Means 3 water molecules will be there as 3 OH group are present. Means there will be 3 water molecules removal. Clear? Means it is the formation of what? Quinoline derivative, or we can say quinoline ring system. Okay, we have introduced the quinoline ring system. Now what is the next reaction? That is an nitro group is there. Nitro group is easily reduced by stannous and concentrate HCl into amino group. Means our second reaction, that is reduction. That is our reduction. Means nitro group easily reduced to the our amino derivative. Means this one is the our amino quinoline derivative. Simply if I will Remember that. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 means it is the 8 amino quinoline derivative. Okay, as we have started with 8 amino quinoline derivative, that is the pamaquine. Okay, means last step, that is simply we have prepared the 8 amino quinoline, then side chain reaction. What is the side chain in the pamaquine? That is this one, the side chain. Side chain simply it is an amino group, and we are having a bromine in side chain. Then what will happen? That is the removal of HBr by mean of H and B, that is, and in this reaction known as that as third reaction, means condensation. Condensation, what is the condensation reaction? Simply removal of small molecule during the bigger molecule reactions. Means here quinoline derivative and side chain derivatization, and simply addition of this molecule by removal of HBr means condensation reaction. This is our quinoline derivative, that is pamaquine. Okay, this is our pamaquine. Now try to understand. Means here the nomenclature, or how we can write the structure nomenclature or IUPAC name of pamaquine. Try to understand. We are just giving the numbering system 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, means 7, 8 position have the amino group. That is, we are having 8 amine, or where on 8 amine, that is quinoline ring system. Okay, then we just write the add the suffix quinoline 8 amine, means quinoline, that this one, the quinoline 8 amine, and quinoline have a one substitution, that is methoxy group at which position? 6th position, means we have written the 6 methoxy quinoline. Okay, now come to the, as we have noted down the amine. Amine means there is a nitrogen, means nitrogen have a substitution, this one, and we are giving the numbering to the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How much carbons are there? Means 5 carbons are there, and 5 carbons are known as penta. Okay, try to understand. Here we are having only single bond, there is no double bond, that will be the pentane. Okay, means we started a capital bracket, fine. On for what? Amine, that is nitrogen, means amine, that is nitrogen. Okay, first we have put the 5th position, means why it is we are giving the 5th position, as we 5th position have this substitution. 5th position have this substitution. What is the substitution? What is the name of this substitution? Try to understand. Diethyl amino. Here diethyl amino. Fine. And remaining this part is that pentane. Okay. And pentane itself joined with the 2nd carbon of the chain. That's why we have put the 2YL. Okay, and this is complete substitution, this one, that's why we are putting into the capital bracket, starting from N of what? That is the amine. This is the IUPAC name of pamaquine. Now this is simply, it is a conventional method to remember, but I am giving to the clue to remember the structure. First of all, we have discussed about the competitive exams, means pamaquine have which category, that 100% question will be there. That is the 8 amino quinoline derivative, as well as in pharmacies it is belongs to anti-malarial category. These are the two questions related to 8 amino quinoline as well as anti-malarial drugs. Okay, try to understand. Second one, if we will talk about the GPAT, then examiner can ask the starting material for the pamaquine synthesis. How we can remember? Try to understand. As we know, the pamaquine is the 8 amino quinoline derivative, but at the same time it have a methoxy group. At 6th position. Means we are trying to remember this part as if we will draw this part, then what? This is the our starting material. Then what is this starting material? That this is the from amino group, this is from amino group, this from the nitro group, this from the nitro group, and this was the methoxy group as we have taken starting as a starting material. Means just bring the starting material from, or just extract out the starting material from the structure of Pamaquine, then you will automatically remember the starting material. Means that is nitro group, then we can convert into amino group, that is amino group, that will become part of quinoline part, and the methoxy group will remain as such in starting material as well as our end product means our Pamaquine. Okay, means, and last next one, the just try to remember scrap synthesis. Scrap synthesis is the reaction with amino group with glycerol in presence of concentrate H2SO4 and as a solvent, that is nitrobenzene. Okay, that is the scrap synthesis. And generally Q-sons, again Q-son is a very important. Scrap synthesis is used for what? Scrap synthesis is used for the synthesis of quinoline ring system. It is the again one of the big Q-son, quinoline derivative. Scrap synthesis is used for the quinoline ring system. Okay, and similarly quinoline, and then simply reduction, and last one the condensation. This is all about related Q-sons that may be competitive for competitive exams as well as the university exam. If university exam Q-son is the synthesis of Pamaquine, then you have to write the complete synthesis of Pamaquine. Okay.